Welcome back to the Wix Automations playlist. When your automations action is send an email, you'll be asked to select an email type: promotional, business transactional, and business critical. Choosing the right type is more than just a formality. It directly impacts your legal compliance, your recipient's ability to unsubscribe, and even your monthly email marketing balance. Let's break down the 3 email types in Wix Automations and define when to use each one. Let's start with the promotional emails. A promotional email is any non-essential business information or marketing content. It's designed to drive sales or engagement. For example, a post-purchase email sent a week later offering a 10% discount for their next order. A welcome series email that introduces your product line. And a We Miss You email for customers who haven't visited in 60 days. A special note, recipients must be able to easily unsubscribe from this email type. If they have unsubscribed from the associated notification topic, they will not receive it. Promotional emails always count against your monthly Wix email marketing balance. So use promotional for anything that is optional for the customers and is intended to market, sell, or drive future behavior. Let's talk about business transactional emails. A business transactional email provides essential information directly related to a customer's specific activity on your site. The customer is expecting this information for that main reason. For example, an email confirming a successful booking, a thank you for your purchase order confirmation email, a form submission notification sent to your internal team, or a password reset or account verification link. So recipients can mute or unsubscribe from this specific notification topic, but the general unsubscribe link is often less prominent than in promotional emails. If the automation was installed for you by Wix, like a default order confirmation, it often does not count against your monthly balance. And if you created it from scratch, it does usually count against your Wix email marketing balance. So when should you use it? Use it for essential, expected information that completes the customer's action or process. This is the most common type for automated confirmations. And lastly, let's talk about business critical emails. A business critical email is reserved for communications that are absolutely necessary to send for the operation or security of the service. For example, a sudden service outage notification, a notification of a major data breach or security update, and an overdue invoice reminder. Recipients cannot unsubscribe or mute these emails. They are sent regardless of the contact's subscription status. Because the content is so important and inescapable, Wix strongly recommends seeking legal advice before using the business critical type to ensure you are compliant with various internal regulations. So when should you use it? Use critical only for legally required or essential service updates where silence would result in a financial or security risk to the user. Use this type sparingly only. So here's a final tip. If you're ever unsure whether an email is promotional or transactional, always err on the side of caution and label it as promotional instead. This ensures you're fully compliant with unsubscribe laws, even if it slightly affects your email balance. By understanding these 3 email types, you can ensure your Wix automations are not only powerful, but also legally compliant, giving your customers the control they expect. We hope this video clarified the different email types, and if it did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.